In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see contact list from Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to quickly view the contacts saved in your Google account without leaving Drive. Start by opening your browser and going to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account whose contacts you want to view. If you use more than one account, double-check the profile picture in the top right to confirm you're in the correct one. Your contacts are tied to your account, so being in the right profile matters. Next, look to the top right of the page for the grid icon, the Google Apps launcher. It looks like 9 small dots arranged in a square. Click it to open the menu of Google Apps. This is the same place you'd find Gmail, Calendar, and other tools. From that menu, click Drive. This opens Google Drive, where you can access your files and folders. If Drive opens in a different tab or window, just follow along there. You should now see your My Drive or whatever section you last used. Once you're in Drive, focus on the vertical panel along the right side of the screen. This is the side panel that gives you quick access to several Google apps. If you don't see it, look for a small arrow or chevron along the bottom right and click it to reveal the panel. In that panel, find the icon that looks like a person's silhouette. This represents contacts. When you hover over it, it may display a tooltip confirming its contacts. Click the person icon. A panel will slide out showing your Google contacts that are synced with this account. Here you can see your contact list, including names and email addresses, and sometimes additional details that are stored with each contact. Scroll to browse the list. If there's a search box at the top of the panel, you can type a name or email to jump straight to a specific person. This is especially handy if you have a long list. Keep in mind, work or school accounts might show only contacts permitted by your organization's settings. If a contact seems to be missing, verify you're in the correct account and that the contact is saved to this account rather than another one or a local device. That's it. You opened Google, use the Apps Launcher to go to Drive, click the person icon on the right sidebar, and now you can see your contacts directly within Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.